messed that up a little bit. I was trying to type 321, but I was typing it on the ones that do the switching of stuff, and so that didn't work quite as well as I was hoping. But yeah, there we go. How's it going, Karazest? I'm trying to figure out how I write community posts. I'm still not quite figured it out. Because I've been told that it's important to write updates. Oh, wait, this is this. Is it this? Not this other section. Great. Ah, here we go. I think this is... Interesting. Okay. So, I think I can show this. I don't think it... Let's see. So, this game will not appear on the game store page or feature in the game. I feel like this is qualified of a major update. Let's just... write a little bit about this. I need to pull this tab out so that I can actually have the other tab still open. Now, can I link this to a demo build, though? That's the question. Probably not. Because this is like on the other side. This is like on the actual game side of it, not the demo side, I think. So, so subtitles. Okay. Dialogue. Tutorial systems. And cinematic moments. Oh. I guess I should say tutorial overhaul or something. Dialogue tutorial. Otherwise, this will be auto-generated. Um, I don't know how much I can actually write here, but like I guess I could go through and take some like screenshots and actually kind of fill this out a little bit nicer. So let's maybe write out some of this stuff. I think I'm gonna probably end up spending a chunk of time on this, just because these are important to write. So. It would be good just to have it done. What's the need to make a new game? Playing, I'll just do this. Yeah. Slightly missed the side there. Probably should have got that at a point where he's like not looking like a weirdo. Okay. Who am I talking about? Flynn's always like a weirdo. Okay. So then save this to the desktop. Sure, why not? Host Flynn. Now, why isn't there music here? There should be music right now. I thought I fixed this issue. So if I activate it again, it does activate though this time. So there's something weird about that. Maybe did I want variation 1 here instead? What's variation 1 feel like? I think I did want variation 1 here. Maybe I'll change that, but it was kind of weird that it stopped playing. So maybe I have to look at that again. Let's go kind of get like one shot. Maybe. Yeah. It's really hard to like get it in the right spot while also trying to run and you know, like oh jeez. Oh god. I'm managing a bunch of stuff. I'm gonna try to skip. It's weird that this didn't actually replace it. I'm so confused. Let's go. Well, first I want to go change that. Kirby, we have here. I'm gonna want treats again, but I still have enough. He's staring up at me. Yep. I'll have to go. Like, help me up, damn it. Wow. Bye-bye. No, that was really bad, though. Ah, okay. Let's try this again. Oh. Well, that was bad, too. We are not doing a very good job today, Kirby. Oh. Don't stop his nose. Kirby, on the other side. By your butt. Not that you know what your butt means. Here. Goofus. Right, so I was just going to quickly go. I was going to change it at least so that it is something different, but then I don't know why it wasn't playing. Okay, let's get my names there. More training retreats. I don't know about that. Let's just load game. Yeah, I know. He's keenly aware of the word. Okay, so it does play properly there. I wonder, okay, so specifically... Okay, first of all, I want to see if I can get this. Kind of properly. Let's see. No, I didn't charge the flashlight, which I kind of wanted to. So I might just fake it a bit. Turn it on. There we go. And then we can take a screenshot of this. So I think this is a nicer screenshot. Although I think like almost this view kind of makes it look like if you didn't know about the game, it's like, oh, is this now like a third-person game? But it's fine. Save this as repost. forest. Okay. Hello there. I think I'm gonna make, let's just go through and get some images, I guess, first. Oh, yeah, walking into the trees. Of course I know. How could I not then? I think this is another cool one. Just pause it so that you can actually get to this thing. Save. Post. Going down. Looking at this, it would be great to mark the actual objective with quotes. Investigate runes added or recolor. Yeah. I think, yeah, it often just says new objective, doesn't it? That is a good point. Let me see if I can find that section. Objective. There should be a way to do that, yeah. Even if, like, because I'm like unhiding things, so I should know that I've unhidden them. But I think it's actually in the objective class, not in manager. So I have to get here. Yeah, so when there's a new objective that gets added, it adds it here. I guess this still needs to be localized, doesn't it? But I go to the objective class. Oh, actually, no, it's specifically a requirement, I think. Yeah, I suppose so. I know when it's hidden, so I can change it to hidden, but I do this, and then I notify up here on Objective Manager is on required revealed. Because I could have just done... Yeah, it says this objective, it'll say like the objective is revealed, but that seems silly. Why don't I say the actual requirement? Because you're probably not looking at the I don't care what the actual objective that got updated is. You'd probably care more about the requirement that got updated. I could do that. And I guess I could add both. Comma requirement dot it has a get description value. Okay. I guess the only thing that sucks about the requirements is that they do often have like a 0 to 5 or something on the end of it, which might look a little weird, but we can see how it goes. So yeah, then in here it's gonna not like this because basically we need to now put this here, and then put that there. Don't need that anymore. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna need to update that for in. Can't know if I put that in objectives. Probably not. I think I probably put that in core. Yeah. Objective updated. I just don't want to get these too long. Maybe I don't even need to say objective updated. I could say updated blank updated. Right. I guess this should be a smart string, shouldn't it? Or am I literally just... I am just taking it and formatting it. Okay. I guess it doesn't need to be smart then. Yeah, I guess we'll just leave it like that. I'll get into the lab and then I'll test out and see what that actually looks like in game. There we go. Yeah, that doesn't make for a very good screenshot. You like can't even see anything in there. I think it's a good moment, but I don't think it's um, works quite right. Okay, so game saved. Let's go out of play mode. Let's recompile. Um, editing a demo build. I guess. Addition of game. Overhauls the tutorial and I guess intro. At this duplicate in the addition of a brand new intro that overhauls the tutorial and adds story into the game. Yeah. Game. I did actually recompile, right? I don't think I did. I don't think I did. I don't think I did. Maybe I did. Okay, I don't know. Game. When did I last? I don't even know when I released it. I don't even remember when I released the last build. I guess I could check in Discord. Um, 'That was in March. I don't know why I put that in demo feedback. I never actually, did I maybe announce that in dev updates? Okay, yeah, I was here. So May 10th. So it's been like almost 2 months. You're saying about the subtitle have to start with story. I guess yeah, added. Oh, what are we talking about? To start with the story. Yeah. Okay. Yep. I figured out what you were trying to tell me. Okay. Start the story off right. Okay. Um, people to the game. I wonder how many people actually read these type of things. um, this is like, how much time should I actually spend on there, or like, do they just want to know that there are updates, or it's starting to get a little warmer. I know you like the details. Just, you already know the details though, right? Like, um, that pretty much. Small, play through. So, so I actually still haven't added that in the game, but like the actual switching of them. But I've added the tech. Um, small narrative clues that will help. And this is very, not the other very each playthrough. So keep your eyes peeled for those in the future. I think this would be a good time to drag in some of these arts. What? Okay, that actually did come in. Okay. Drag two at a time. Like start with an image. It's always cool to start with an image, right? Hello there. I should put this above here. Future. True. Should now be more in line with. Put this one here. The old intro. The intro was pretty hard. Did stop many. Past first door. My hopes. Should be able to get more into the core game. Oh yeah, generally, yeah. Basically, I'm just gonna like make it a few screenshots, a little explanation here. I don't think I need to go into too much details because like I just want to like tell people that there's been an update, and then you know, in case you don't watch the streams, you know. If you're not watching the streams, then what are you doing? I do love the tone in that little letter. I think you're supposed to talk to him, right? Yeah. Hey, Clara. Goodbye. The thing just not. Is that what the emptiness thing is? Is this just like? Totally is that, isn't it? It's your fault. Yeah. I guess you can actually just like post a YouTube video here. So like hypothetically, I could just be like, I could record a little section talking through the changes, and then do it there. But no. Let me 3 more wires. Which crate did I not open? Did I not open the one next to him? Oh, I never fixed that either. Yeah, okay, so this is not working. Oh, it's referencing the wrong table. That's fine. Okay. I don't think that's ever worked then. I think that's just always been empty. I think I had seen that, like there was just empty spots, and I just like I don't know what that is. um, so that's probably what the entire thing was. Okay. So let's go out of here. And then we'll recompiling. Excuse me. Whew. You're just having a good time over there. All right. I think I just want to get like one more screenshot. I just want to like get a picture of like the portal on, kind of sitting from the lab, and then. Yeah. We've got these dogs trained now, Karazest. Stay. 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 Oh. Okay. Make it a better 10. Okay. Slow. Ooh. Be quick at it. It's kind of fun. Yeah, the music always plays. You know, it's weird. Okay, so. Okay, display line. Does it actually have a value now? Woohoo! Okay. Check our panel. Open lockboxes. Yeah, looks pretty cool. I don't think I need the bolding there. Bolding, I think, looks kind of silly. Anything, it would be like I'd want to do a different color or something, but I don't know if it's even needed that. So I think, just don't think it's needed. Okay. Maybe somewhat wonder if I should be like adding some sort of lighting into this area, because like, Flynn's just literally sitting here in the dark, but and like without the flashlight, it's just dark here. It's just a little weird, but basically, I just wanted to take a screenshot kind of like of this, but okay, none of these are in the right position. With this thing on, so like that. Game. And maybe even toggle off the HUD. Yeah, just get a nice little amount of ambiance going. See. It's actually quite a cool screenshot, I think. It's pretty. Can we post? Lab. Okay. Spelled that a little weirdy, but it's okay. That's the right community post part on it, but whatever. Self. In okay, if you game data process stream which can I just actually grab that URL links. I think this is almost more for me than for anyone else. Copy link on Twitch, so I can go link Twitch this insert URL. And then that one I actually have to go like this for clean link, and then there we go. Basically, I'm just going to drag the lab here. There we go. Cool. You know, that's a fine auto-generated summary. I'm okay with that. Review event. Past month, I've been adding a bunch of new features in the app. I'm going to introduce more people into the game. The first notable addition is a dialogue system that I made from scratch. You can imagine anything you can expect from a dialogue system. I've added in text to have small narrative clues that will vary each playthrough, so keep your eyes peeled for those in the future. With the new intro, I've also redone the tutorial, which should now be more in line with what people expect. The old intro was pretty hard and stopped many people from even getting past the first door. I hope that with this new flow, we should be able to get many more people into the core game loop. I won't go into too much more detail, as you can experience all those changes for yourself in the demo right now, so grab it, update, and try it if you want to get more involved in the game. Okay, sweet. I think that's pretty much what I need to do. Oh, it even has like a wish list thing on there. That's so cool. So cool. So cool. All right. Save. And then artwork. You can name your... I guess, okay, I'm just going to drag the lab one in. The file type is not supported? Oh, I think so. Maybe I need to get the right size. Okay, so you need two images. So I need one that is 450 by that, and one that is 920 by 620. Okay, well, do I still have this open? Sweet, I do. Beautiful. Okay, so what are the dimensions again? 920 by 622. So we go new 920 by 622. Fixed resolution. Community header. Go okay. Bing bada boom. Just need to make sure it's actually not scaled at all. Okay, that's great. And then we go new. It'll always be like a pixel or so different, but it should be close enough. And I can go save. Community header. So now will it accept that one? It was kind of weird in that it said like the file type was unsupported for this asset. Rich header image. I guess I gotta see the documentation. Okay, I don't care about your languages. I care about why is this file type not supported? Like what type do you need it to be? Is my question. Right? Let's just, I guess, go to downloads. I already have this in my downloads. Theme game templates. Okay. Well then I guess don't open that. Does it need to be like exactly that dimension and that's why it's complaining? If so, I guess I can open up the Legimpe. Gimp. And just adjust the image size. So just play some music too. Gimp, save me. File. Open. Desktop. Header. Okay, so then we need to go image. Yeah, let's just go canvas size. So I think it's supposed to be 20 by 622. Makes sense. Okay, and save this. File. Export as community header. Export. Place. Okay, export. This file type is not supported for this asset. Okay. Can you tell me why would you? These are PNGs. It says a PNG in here. Header PNG. Why are you doing this to me? I just don't understand. PNG file. File type is unsupported. Do I have to like actually type it in as header? No. Upload. Do I just click upload anyways? No. What is going on here? Why are you like this, Steve? So not. Am I supposed to? Yeah, it's not supported for this asset. I mean, okay, but let's try. Let's do an 800 by 4.5. You're gonna be main or something. I don't know what it's called. 800 by 450. Big capsule. Okay, and then let's even open this up with GIMP. Image, canvas size. Screw you. No. Save. I know I spelled capsule wrong there. Okay. Image. Scale image. That's image canvas size. I actually cut off a little bit. 800 by 450. Center it. Just be size. Okay. File. Export as. Including a capital. There we go. Export. Alright. See if, I don't know, maybe it wants to accept this. File type is not supported for this. That's it. Why? Alright, maybe like cover image. Upload. Oh, I hate you. I hate you so much. Okay, can I drag the images in here? Why? Why? Did you fucking... Oh my god. I don't understand why. Do I need to like... Yeah, let's try saving these as fucking JSONs or something. Or like JPEGs or something. File type JPEG. Export. Export. File. Export. Community header. Hey Sky Ninja, we got just Kirby here today. And my exorbitant anger for this stupid thing. Select file. Let's find the JPEGs. Community capsule. Okay, you mother flipper. Why do you only want JPEGs? Why? Why is this like a thing that you upload? Oh my god. Oh, Kirby. Thanks for eating a biscuit, Sky Ninja. Kara's us giving Kirby treats again. That was a good one. Yeah. You've warmed up now, Kirby. You're getting pretty good. Okay. Goddamn. Why are there white lines on the side? Oh my god. Because it's a JPEG and it's freaking. Oh my god. Okay. Add a new layer. Black. It's not black. That's black. There we go. File. Export as. Community capsule. Export as a JPEG. Yes, please. God, help me. That looks horrible. Kill this thing. Select a file. Nope. Not you. Select a file. Where is it? JPEG. Here's the routine sound. Okay, there we go. That looks better. Alright. Okay. Yeah. Showing my, yeah, so you're just showing everywhere, basically. Yeah, I'm gonna try that. Then... Okay, we're just gonna publish now. Cool. It's done. That's it. All right, we're good. See you live then. We're done. Okay. It's in my library. Okay. Well, we have a post now, finally. So this now should show up. Yeah. Story update. Whee! Even got that nice little. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Cool. I'm happy about that. That's at least finally done. It was so stupid that they don't tell you anywhere that they need JPEGs and that they're gonna like fail your thing if you do not have a JPEG. That would have been cool to like, you know, maybe say somewhere that like, hey, it needs to be a JPEG, so you don't go insane trying to upload PNGs a bunch of times. And yeah, but you know, it's whatever it is. Okay. So, now what was I doing? But I want to fix that gap, because that gap I've seen so many times, and I'm gonna forget about it. Don't do it right now. And then I'm gonna try to what I was thinking I was gonna do at the beginning of yesterday was just trying to tackle as many of these kind of random things that I have. I should check in the the floor issue. I think that probably also is a valid thing to check. But let's get first fix that. Probably just like get a better view here. Why is... I want to look this up. Unity hide nav mesh. Oh, wait. Show only fucking select. Oh my god, there we go. Woohoo! Finally. It's gone. So annoying. Okay, so this thing was not properly adjusted. Now I'm just trying to figure out where does the fault actually lie with this. Is it just this piece, or are all of these pieces also wrong? I thought there was another gap I saw, but can't be totally certain. I think it's mostly just this piece. Okay, so if I just move this, for example, a little bit over here, and then for example, I were to go V of here, connect that there. Is that the correct one? No, that is not the correct one. This little gizmos are making it a little bit harder to see, but no, okay, that's not working. Let's try it on the other side. It should be easier on the other side. Hypothetically, it should be easier on this side. I want to select this vertex and align it up with that. Okay. Now, does that have any other gaps? Or is that now good? That looks okay, I think. Yeah, all right, cool. So that's fixed. Did I have anything else on that notepad that was relevant? So I notice I don't even have the notepad anymore. I think that's somewhere on my desktop. I saved this. Now let's quit this. Close all. Let's go to changes. Where did I save this? There we go. To do notes. Haha. Fixed gap before. Alright, there was no dialogue after reading the note. I've done this part, I've done yeah, I've done that part. No dialogue after read note. That is true. I don't think that has ever shown up. So this thing is supposed to initiate on interact. We open the paper screen. On-screen close event. Yep. We probably should have the dialogue event if we want the dialogue event to happen. That would probably make sense. You know? Okay. Let's that. This actually does have it tracked, so it shouldn't happen more than once. All right, so let's save that. Let's go here. Oh, hey, Bert, you spending stuff in the Discord? You giving me more things to fix? All right. First thing I noticed is this is the windowed. The intro doesn't fit within the window. Oh, you can just... God damn it, Steve. Why don't you be a little bit, like, scarier? Playing in windowed mode. Oh, the text boxes get cut off. Oh, like the sides? Yeah, if you can see an image, then a little... Tell me a little bit more. Okay, wanted to film taunting the monster. Oh, he shot you right out. Is that another missing... I thought it fixed all those gaps. Does it? This one? Okay. Well, I should check. They should have... I actually need the dev mesh to show up. Show the nav mesh. Go on. Okay. It's so weird. You should totally be able to path to you. It's like, it's just right there. It's interesting. But as for the reason you fell through, I'm trying to figure out. Yeah, these all have colliders. So how does that happen? I guess I gotta try it for science, right? Yeah, I kind of know about that one. Just move that. It's rude of him. Yeah, you can get stuck there. Okay. Alright, here's the thing getting cropped. Ah, interesting. Did I? I totally found my weakness. Yeah. Okay, so it's weird. I guess, yeah, there is like a little line here that says he can walk here, which really he shouldn't be able to. Like, that's on a wall. Let's check. If I go nav mesh here and I build it again. Yeah, okay, there we go. So now it's actually, he won't walk behind there again, at least. Oh crap, right, I remembered. I need to, what's it? disable this for a second. Where are you, Navmesh? Fake. I can actually ignore certain layers, which actually might work out nicely. If I go to like cinematic, hole opening, I could make this like I don't know what makes sense. Kind of. Just add a layer. Just make a new layer. Make a new layer, then add the whole opening. Oh. Nav mesh ignore. Let's change children. And then I should be able to go to nav mesh. I should be able to say nav mesh ignore. Okay. Oh, and yeah, you can actually say current object hierarchy. That's interesting. Fake. Yeah, okay, cool. So now that ignores anything that's in there. That should be okay. It's weird that he actually doesn't seem to see this. Oh, but it's a nav mesh obstacle, so it will affect that. In this case, I might make it a little thicker, just so that it does that. Okay. I got. Zoomed view is only like in a. If you have like a weird dialogue, maybe. It might happen, but it's typically that would happen with like a dialogue or something. Okay, let's see about the smashing thing. How'd you get Flynn down there? A magician. Yeah, well, where's it, right? I think I can load. Okay, so I think I need to do this whole thing. You can push. People, why you gotta drive me insane like this? So I basically probably have to make it so that once he's like in place here, I probably need to like, yeah, he doesn't actually move back, does he? He is a little bit of a pushover. That Flynn old man. Can I? Is there like a? Hmm. So this one's active technically, but I guess it turns off. If I were to activate this again, you wouldn't move back to it. Wait, I might pause. Oh, I paused. It would move back to it. Okay. So if this was active though, okay, turning off immediately. So what I could do, I could change this a little bit. We can push you back. So I wonder, so if now that he's actually had that set point, does he try to move back? He does. Okay, so it's a problem with the loading. So I still want to warp him, but I want to set his destination. Because then he'll still have that destination in mind, and you'll see now when I push him for a little bit, but like he'll try to get back to where he was. So I think that should fix that. So I think I was warping him before, but I wasn't setting the destination, which means, you know, he could then be pushed. So I think that should fix that. Push him somewhere to glitch into the floor. Alright, now let's just open all these. Talk to him. Wait, oh yeah, this part was broken. I think that's... Is that... I'm looking at the wrong hole. So is that this one being off? Gizmos here. No, that doesn't actually turn off the... Turn off completely. Yeah, that's the part that's... Is that the part? Or is... No, it's actually just this part, I think. Looks like I've got a weird rotation. I guess that should just be 270, right? The issue is that it's not aligned with this part. It's like a hole. So it's not quite forward, or is it this one that's not the one that's adjacent to it that's not quite this thing, I guess. I don't know, something's not aligned. Am I looking at the right part? No, I'm not even looking at the right part. Okay. So it's actually this part. I got it. Okay. Let's not do that. So it's either this one or this one. Ah, yeah, there we go. There's some weird funky positionings. So I assume that I have to go and make that a little bit better. Let's try to change some of these so that they're proper. Does that make it work? That actually has to be like everywhere, and it's just been like never seen before because there's probably not enough light to see it. Okay, yeah, so I need to fix that prefab. Okay. Yeah, let's just go do that. Keeps breaking after dialogues. My sacrifice. So the monster didn't like you. See you next time. You can't lock him behind there, can you? Oh, I just noticed. I just thought that you could actually technically do that, right? Lock him in another room. Maybe not that first one, but the other ones you can't. You can't close that door, but you can close like the other doors. Okay, so now I don't think I actually saved. Yeah. Recompile. Why? Why do I do this to myself? I also don't think I didn't actually go to the scene that I was gonna fix the thing in. So. It should fix the zoom after you have a dialogue, but like if you have a dialogue from someone far away, it could definitely have some weird things happen. Why did I click play? Okay. I need to fix this thing. Because you're broken. There we go. Okay, so that whole thing should now be a bit better. And then I can go back to this. It is weird that he's like not realizing that he could get a different path. I wonder. So first of all, check the Flynn thing. You should now no longer be able to. Yeah. Okay, sweet. Okay, so you can't push Flynn around anymore. At least not for far. He's got a limit. He plays within it. Open. Okay. Let's go to one thing and check expenditure here. Okay, so add line. Comma. Do I not have a thing to not show it in the overlay? The only thing that listens to this is the overlay text thing, right? Okay, because I don't want those. I'm gonna add another bool to this already insane amount of options here that I have here, and let's say. Bool, ignore, hide, overlay equals false. If not hide overlay, then we will do this. Do I need to add it to these other ones? Okay. I'm overlay. True. Yeah. There we go. So that one show up now. I don't need to do it yet, but. Oh, kind of. That's off. I wonder if I should be making that a little bit smaller, that upper text. It feels a little big. don't think it needs to be that big. It could be smaller. In order to actually get a little bit more in there. Screen manager, although it's not actually in screen manager, it's okay. HUD. There's a few things about HUD. I could go all these things, yeah. Hide. But the console log. This console log can technically be a lot longer. I don't see why to not have it stretch out this long. And then let's go to this. So we'll save this, and then we'll go and adjust this thing. 24. I think I'm gonna like size this down to like 18. I don't think it's need to be that big. Did I actually recompile? I'm worried I didn't. Okay, I did. Sweet. Okay. So just some keeping track. So fix the Flynn thing. Yeah, it's not great. Okay, that's what I'm trying to write some of these down. I never actually checked if the dialogue worked. Is Steve getting stuck on an environment? Player getting stuck. Initial stairs. And the dialogue thing, I'm not sure how properly. I also want to see if still be it out of wall. Let's just check those things. Spacing. Spacing is still maybe too high. Let's just figure out what is the spacing that I should have. I think it's fine lengthwise. Like, I don't think you need to have it too big, but it's about the same size as this. Right, thanks for all the bugs, man. I'll talk to you later. I have now plenty of things to do. So the spacing is 8. So what if I just no spacing? Yeah, just you don't even need spacing. It's kind of, is it because these things themselves have some base size? Yeah, they're 28. So I think that's fine. Probably with no spacing, it's got a little bit of a line space just to keep them separated. Gotta keep them separated. The other thing I want to check though is, does this actually, look at the gizmos here. It does actually stretch all the way out there, so it can have some long ones now. So for example, if I go and grab the open PM, open no, and yeah, there we go. Yeah, so that whole thing fits there. Yeah. Okay, sweet. So let's just change that. Screen manager. Console log. Change the 0. And then save. Yeah, and then I can probably make this slightly bigger. Maybe go like 20. Oh, it even does have like line spacing here. It should be fine. Yeah. Okay. Load game. Irby. Just want to be let out, I understand. Okay. So dark. So yeah, let's just go Flino. Yeah. So weird that that's like right. What light is that? bouncing off this window like this. Is it? I'm so confused. Like, is the directional light? Like, it's the only other light I can think of that would be somehow hitting that and doing that. Are you directional light? Yeah, it was the directional light. Damn you. How are you still hitting this? I have like an entire thing. Of sun blockers that like surround this entire lab. Should be no sun that comes through here. Should just block everything, but somehow, oh, there's this little hole. Okay, wait, no, wait. There is a hole. Ooh, a hole in the defenses. All right, okay. Okay. Fair. You know what? Fair. I gotta... Okay, we'll see if this actually fixes it, and then I'll do this in the actual scene if it does. Okay. Yeah, like that. Okay, so does that stop it? No. Oh, because yeah, this isn't far enough over either. So this thing would have to be scaled up like this. Yeah. Still, I can see the light. How are you getting through here? Is there like a gap on this side? Nope. Do these things actually have any effect? Seemingly no. Seemingly the answer is no. I want to make it so that it just does not affect anything down there. Like, is there a good way to do that? I guess I could like turn it off when I like go in here. This does feel slightly insane. It's like building this like entire blocker framework, which seemingly doesn't even really work. Unless is it like from this angle that I need to be getting it? Let's see. Okay. this over here. Rotate. No, it's still there. I don't know, I'm just confused. It's the why. Gotta fix it. I wonder if there's like a way you can configure this so that it light layers. Like I could just like turn it off when you come inside and then because it's obviously this light, right? Like I think it was what was happening. It's causing like there's orange things over here and stuff. Probably just you have to do something where like when I hit this trigger, like I walk in here, I probably like turn it off, and then if I like hit some trigger over here, I turn it back on or something. That's probably what I have to do. Okay, well, let's do that. Okay, so I put it in persistent tracking. I'll add a empty set active. We'll go set active on initiate. It'll be initially on. We will take the sun, put that in there, and then I should be able to go system tracking and then drag. Right now, this actually has to have an thing on it. Okay. We add that. Then, so by default, it's going to be turned on. We're going to make a little collider trigger thing in here. Create empty. Turn off trigger. Box, collider. Trigger, trigger, initiate on trigger, player. We're gonna go drag this. We're gonna go inverse active, and we're gonna go set inactive. I think. So it always goes to toggle. I forget how this kind of works. Get an issue with anything else, not gonna care. so it's initiate. It doesn't probably care about that, and it goes. It's not stateless. It'll just keep on going, and then it'll send the action type down. And then so the set active. So it'll send set inactive. Okay. So I actually shouldn't do that. I should just do that. Yeah, and then on the player. And then so what we want to do is move this somewhere over here. I don't know. Yeah, that's close enough. Okay. And then I guess rotate a little bit so it makes more sense. Then we'll make it a little bigger. Not the opposite. Make this a little bit wider. Make this a little bit taller. Make this a little bit wider. And then we move it over a little bit. It's basically, it should be impossible to not hit this. So I should probably make it a little wider. Yeah. Okay. Basically, you walk onto this thing. Sometimes it's really hard to visualize these in 2D space. In 3D space. It's just a wire, right? Close enough. Okay. You hit this trigger, it's going to turn it off. And then we just grab another one of these. Say turn on trigger. Oops. Trigger on. And we will just call set active. There we go. And then, so I didn't finish renaming this. Turn on trigger, and then move that over. Okay. So now basically I should be able to turn off the lights. We're not going here. All right. The little thing is not going to bother me anymore. All right, so was there another thing you posted? No. Okay. Right. You can press the activate. Yeah, but nothing happens because you haven't done the other things. Yeah, I guess that's probably possible. The objectives do exist. So for the pay to activate, this is enabled by default. I guess I could actually make it turn on after you've completed the thing. Because right now it's just on, you have to pay for it. Yeah. I don't know how big of a deal that is. Because some of these things are like, it's only matters if like you already know. Well, if you already know, well, you know, right? Like, you don't need to do it, but I guess it's conceivable that you just ignore Flynn and then just like look around. But I will say that the objective is to talk to Flynn. So I think that's okay. The bigger ones I can fix right now is like the one you can jump over here. You brought me your ball, have you? All right. Gotta throw the ball for Kirby. Bring me the ball. It's right here. Basically, what I should just do is these guys. What is it selecting? Oh, this is the terrain. Yeah, so this level connector. What I want to just do is basically take these two colliders, make their, I guess, I don't know why that's the Y, but there. And then same thing here. Yeah, I guess need to adjust that a little bit. You can't. There. Okay. Yeah. So that should just stop you from getting over there. So that's done. Let's go do a little test run. See if some of these things actually work. Because also that red up and note should be done. I just haven't verified it. Ready to throw the ball again, Kirby? Got it. Okay. So let's test the lights as well. Basically, so this is what it should have. Now I shouldn't see any. Anything there? Sweet. But then let's just test as well. I need to like enable a mode where I just have infinite sprint. Because that'd be nice. I'm testing all this stuff. Okay, so I should still have light out here now. At least as much light as I used to have. Yeah, okay, so yeah, the light comes back. Okay. Sweet, and then other thing, can't go over here anymore. Yeah. Yeah, okay. That should be good. Sweet. Okay, let's go over here. Read the letter, see if that actually, that dialog pops up. Long, okay, to the. Okay, so. So I need to fix that dialog part because it's not saying that it should be Clara. Dialogues, Clara talking to herself. Directors feuding should be -1 and -1. Let's open the door again, it's cold. Are you requiring another throw, Kirby? No. He's left. Ah, bring the ball. Ah. So that should be all good. I'm happy with that. So we can kill that. Kill that. Let's check out Steve. Steve time. Oh, that's just the foil there. Let's just save here. Did I already craft the thing? Must have already crafted the thing. Alright, here we go. So, last time... like, start here. Okay, so why... like, I know kind of about this one, I think. See if I just, like, stand next to a wall. Like these walls. Right, yeah, he's said to always see me, so I can't, like, hide from him. Just, like, ignore me. Well, that's interesting. I don't know why, like, I can't... simulate him getting stuck or... you know, having other issues. I want to check as well here. Last time... okay, no, the music's still playing. Or not. So it plays for a little bit, and then it fades out and doesn't do anything. It's really weird. Oh no, okay, it was just the end of that loop. Okay. So, all right, we're here. The first planet. So, you're saying, is it maybe just if I have like a 3x4? Yeah, okay. So it's just, I think if you have a weird dimension, it doesn't scale down. It's not great. And 3x4 is like the dimension I hate the most. It just ruins everything. Why do people want to do this to themselves, right? Like, I'm gonna not select this. It's not gonna let me. Again, dialog screen. Here we go. Guess show me some gizmos. So main content. Pop up, right? Yeah, because I kind of derived this up at pop up. So this is scaling. This is not. This is scaling. So I think I just need to make this one scale properly. And then it should be better. Yeah, the width. Well, it's just, I mean, we can try this live. It doesn't matter if it breaks it. Content, pop up. Content's all the way on the bottom. It is 1,000. Why is this one's? Oh, because content is a layout group. And then main content. Kirby. I think that's probably the issue. So now if I look in game, that actually does. Does actually properly do that. Okay, so I just need to adjust main content and also make that one control the child size. Okay. I actually don't even know why this one needs to exist even, really. Like, it just seems like another vertical layout group on a vertical layout group. Like, that seems just unnecessary. Right, like if I, for example, just reloaded this right now. I guess, I don't know why this, yeah, let's just change that to there, right? So that doesn't expand out as well anymore. It does seem to adjust better. There was the weird one though. Yeah, this part. It seems to not quite adjust every time. And then like this one. Yeah, so I mean, the main thing is I don't really need this extra level. That's at least something I've understood. I don't need that level. Description options. But I think I might need to be doing in dialogue screen. Do something I think in here, fix the layout. Now, which layout group am I referring to in that? Content. So that's why it's no longer updating properly, is that this is no longer being called. So if I change that to main content instead, let's see. Okay, that actually works really well. All right, so I don't have to change the code. I just needed to change that. So there's a few things I need to fix around with that, but that'll actually make the dialogue a lot better. So I think before it was doing this weird flickery thing, and I think that's probably because of that like dual levels of layout groups that didn't need to exist. Dialogue screen, dialogue screen. Okay, so again, pop up. Content and then main content. So we want to move main content out. We want to take main content and stick it on the bottom like this. And then we want to say bye-bye content. I'm going to say dialogue screen. That you now have a thing this. And main content. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Save and see how that works. Wait, let's go. Let's go. Let's see this. This has annoyed me a few times now. That like I'm not quite, I guess, in the trigger or something. This is technically, I guess, in the objective. Objectives manager, intro, objective runes. Oh no, yeah, it's slightly out of it. So I think what I want to do is probably move that to be a bit bigger. Yeah. So get to the runes, right? Okay. So I would have to just make the X a bit bigger, right? So make it 8 or something. Is there another thing though to trigger the dialogue? Okay, yeah, this also has a trigger, and so I should also change that to 8. Okay, so let's just go back and fix that. Okay. Okay. So intro objective. Let's go get to the ruins. Let's make this 8. Apply to that prefab. And then let's also go to second objective. Or second dialogue, sorry. Then also make this like 8. Just because, yeah, it was kind of small. Alrighty. Then, yeah, I just can't find these. I'm just gonna, I guess, have to ignore them. Give me the ball, Kirby. Got it. Okay. Load game. Why do you make this hard? I'm just trying to throw the ball for you. Okay, well, I'm not throwing the ball for you anymore. I just want to know if this is actually a shortcut. Kind of. Yeah. Leaving him in a dust. What happened? Damn it. I went too far down. Oh, well. Okay. Weird how he's like really not very well lit by the light, but I kind of don't mind that too much. So do I open the door again? How do goodbye. Are there any other things? So I could do the footstep sounds. I really don't know how badly it's needed. I think some of these, I think the transfer one item I should probably be looking into. So I should maybe start taking off some of these, although I even have like 10 minutes left, so don't even have that much time. So let's I can actually do this. This is probably the easiest one, honestly. Download. Actually, I don't know if I got this somewhere. Assets, art. I already have it. Okay. Did I already replace it? I might have already replaced it. Let's go add siren T. Add zoom I. Oh yeah. And actually, looks really good with the dithering effect. Okay. Okay, so that's actually already done. So I can just stop thinking about how I have not done that, and I've actually done it. This panel is not fully in the wall. I think that was just with the over weirdness for the lighting. I think I fixed most of that part. That's like pretty much in every door. So let's see if I can see that. So that'll be just right here, right? Be this guy. A panel is never on the wall. Yeah. Well, yeah. I mean, if it's the same prefab, so if it's not in on some place, it's never going to be there. Yeah, it does have a slightly off position here. So I should probably be making that like 1 and -3, I assume. Wait, what? Or is that like a... so it should be like 0? Have I tried to fix it? I don't know. I don't remember. I'm not seeing any like obvious gaps now. I mean, I just tweaked it a little bit, so maybe that was it, but... we can go into just the permission door. This guy. That does seem aligned. I'm not sure exactly what you're trying to put a portal behind it. I guess so you can just see the lights coming through. Was this one like that? What was that one? Was it clashing with something before? No. Okay. Let's save that. And then I'll try your portal technique in a second. Making 4x3, 3x4 is really weird. I want to go back to 60 by 9. Okay. It's just this. Okay, well, we're gonna put a portal behind it, just to appease the Kara test. Take the. Even put a different portal in it. We'll make a new portal and we'll put it like right here. Let's go end deco. Then not make it static for a second. Oh, so you're talking more about the lights. Yeah. Okay. So, the reason it would do this, I mean, this is almost like a universal thing. That's just, the reason it does this is because these things are not set to cast shadows two ways, I assume. Right, so they'd have to be cast shadows two-sided. How much do I... Let's just, okay, just check. See if this, if I were to just take a few of these on this wall here. And, you know, go then, cast shadows, two-sided. Even that doesn't really block it. What the... Of course, oh, a portal's never going to be like here. It's going to be like, I don't think. It's going to be like here. Right? Or... Right, so there it won't show because there's another wall blocking the light. So unless it's literally right behind this wall, which shouldn't really happen, it doesn't have an issue there. It just has an issue when it's like literally right behind it, but that's not... That shouldn't really be happening because then there should be things blocking it from there. So... I think it's okay for now. I'm gonna say that's okay for now. Yeah, I think that part I think is definitely addressed, but this, yeah, there's a little line that, or is it? So that's actually the, oh, that part of the mesh. Wait. Wait. like a weird thing with how this mesh is made, and there's just like a hole in it. Really hard to see. I think that is okay. That's just like, you know, that does line up, I think. How closely am I gonna have to try to look at this thing? I feel like, okay, so what if I do this from this angle and then right, like it does, I think, line up there. So yeah, I think for now I'm gonna close that one. If you can see it again in the future, we can chat about it then. Then tomorrow I'm gonna start looking at these things. I think those are some issues that I probably should be dealing with if I can reproduce them. So, though, with that we should be getting going. I need to get right in so then I can do the whatever I'm doing, and so yeah, I need to like upload the stream and stuff. So let's go to following. Who's streaming right now? We haven't said hi to Full Box for a bit, so let's say hi to Full Box. Yeah, okay. He's streaming. So let's go say hello to him. Yeah, I'll just start the raid. I mean, there's 4 people in here. I don't know if you guys know about this already, but if you know about the game, you know about the game. So go check it out if you haven't. And I'll see you guys next time. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye now.